AI right now is a big topic, and if you're looking to get started with Shopify and start selling your products online, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about how to actually sell products using AI to assist you in your workflow. And the nice thing about AI and a lot of the different tools out there is you can use these tools to help you both create the store, update the store, and improve conversions on your store. So let's look at exactly how to do so. So the first thing when you're selling products online, one thing to always keep in mind is your product page. Whether you're new or you're established Shopify brand owner, that product page is so key. So let's take a look at a product page as an example to show you some things that you can do to make improvements with AI. So with this product page here, one thing to keep in mind is ads can bring traffic to the product page, but this page itself is actually what sells the product, not the ads. And so AI can save you a lot of time here. For instance, if you're looking at the headline here, you want to make sure that this headline clearly explains what the product is and why it matters to customers. Especially if you have a subheading like this as well. These two things need to be clear to the customer to explain exactly what it is and why it's important. Another thing to also keep in mind is the benefits here. So you'll notice we have our benefits section here. A lot of merchants might also like to put it in a accordion under the hero section or maybe something here, but you really want to include those benefits, not just features and what are some aspects of the product, but how does this product actually benefit customers. It's really key to include that in your product page. Another thing is when it comes to the product images, you want to show images in real time. So you see how for this example we have the actual product just with a white background, but you also want to show different positions, maybe the front of the product, the back of the product, maybe on a table with the product open, among other items, just to show it in in real use in a lifetime setting. And so with this page, what you could actually do is you could put it in ChatGPT. You could ask ChatGPT to help you write a high converting product page with a good headline, benefits, some bullet points for benefits here, or maybe for a description. And then you can, of course, refine, and make updates as you have those results. But the nice thing is, instead of just having a product page and then not knowing where to start, AI gives you a place to get started with. So it gives you something to work with so you can hit the ground running. Really important as well. Another thing also that you'll notice is if you come back to our homepage here, you'll notice that we have our reviews section. And so ChatGPT or AI in general is really good for building social trust. Things like a review section here, or even with the frequently asked questions section. Now, with these reviews, you might not be able to necessarily add this section with ChatGPT, but you can use these reviews and then incorporate AI to say, okay, how can we use these reviews in our marketing messages, or how can we use these reviews to create social content? And you can use these reviews to work for you instead of just having them on the website. As well as if you have, for instance, a frequently asked question section, that's a great way to be able to use AI once again and say, hey, look at my brand. What are some frequently asked questions that merchants might be asking that we can, include on our website there to be able to answer those questions that are frequently asked by merchants. Same thing with like return policies or shipping explanations. This is key information that customers are going to be looking for. You don't want to hide this information or leave it empty. You want to be able to address as many points as possible that customers would ask before they even have to reach out to ask those questions. So that's really key. Another way that you can use AI is with your analytics. So if you have, whether you're just your regular Shopify analytics or your Google analytics, you can take the analytics like the traffic, the add to cart rate, conversion rate, copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and then say, where are we losing conversions here? What can we improve here? And then the AI can actually give you ideas for your product page. Maybe it can give you offer ideas. Maybe it can give you tweaks or apps that you could consider implementing. Maybe you can find conversion links in your analytics. And then the nice thing is that it gives you actionable ideas that you can use and implement instead of just overthinking it or not knowing where to start. You have these analytics, but you don't know where to start. AI can be really powerful here by taking your um, your data and then plugging into AI and helping you refine and make these updates. So there's a lot of ways that you can use AI as you're selling products online and building out your e-commerce store. Hopefully this video was able to help share some of the ideas that you could test out. And if you're looking for help finding exactly what's holding your store back, or what updates to make, we have all this data, we have this information. We're trying to sell our products online, but we don't know where to get started. That's something we're doing for a lot of brands. All our information is down below. Feel free to take a look around the website, see some of the stuff we offer, see some of the stuff that we're working on, see what other people have said. Working on a lot of cool projects right now. And one thing that we love to do is take stores such as yourself, really break them down, see exactly what to fix, what to implement, so that you can increase conversions. So once again, if you're looking for any help with regards to Shopify, whether you're new to the platform and looking to get started, or you're already established and you're really looking for ways to improve conversions, really feel free to reach out and we'll be more than happy to have a conversation. But once again, just sum everything up. If you're able to use AI to, make improvements to your product page, build trust, and remove that friction, um, definitely you can start seeing more conversions over time as you start making these implementations. So once again, hope this video was helpful, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.